Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create a Strava account. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply download the application Strava into your device. It will be available on the Google Play Store and just simply open it up. And now, once you open the application, as you can see, you should have an option right away, join for free. So tap on join for free, guys. And from here, you will have two options. You can either create an account manually by just simply providing your email and password. And as you can see on the password, it must contain at least 8 characters. Or you can just simply continue with Google. So now I'm gonna provide my email over here. And after that, just simply provide your password as well. And from here, just simply tap on sign up. And after that, just simply wait for it to process. And as you can see, just simply provide the CAPTCHA. So bicycle, I'm going to select bicycles over here. Tap on verify, stairs, verify. And after that, just simply tap on accept. And from here, just simply provide your first name. I'm going to go for help. Last name will be solution. So guys, this is just an example. Just simply provide the birth date as well. And now from here, just simply provide the gender as well. And after that, once you have provided the information, just simply tap on continue. And from here, you will have multiple sport. I'm going to go for run and continue. And after that, what do you want the Strava most? I'm going to go for track my activities and workout and tap on continue. And from here, guys, you can just simply search your friend if you have a friend in Strava. But for now, I'm going to just simply tap on continue and tap on allow. And after that, just simply tap on done. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.